In this clip, I'm going to discuss navigating the timeline. So now I'm going to show you how we can navigate through the timeline. There's a few different ways, the first of which is just clicking and dragging. Okay, you'll notice that you have your tracks in the timeline, and then above the tracks you have a bar that has timecode across it. Alright, now that is basically the area where you're going to navigate with your playhead. You can either click and your playhead will go to a specific location, or you can click, hold, and just kind of drag and scrub through the project. Now you notice if I do the same thing down here, it doesn't work. You can only select it up in this section. Now you can click and drag to each end of the screen and you will keep going. So if I drag this to the right, you notice how it keeps going through my project. It keeps moving to the right through the project. Same way to the left too. You can also navigate using timecode. This timecode to the left here. You can set where you want to go and it'll take you there. The playhead will automatically go there. For example, let's say I want to go to 10 seconds. I just type in 10, 0, 0. Representing 0, 0 is my frames and 10 is now my seconds. And I just hit enter and my playhead goes right to 10 seconds. Next, you can use the plus and minus keys to navigate through the timecode. For example, right now I'm at 6 seconds. Okay, so let's say I want to go forward in the timeline about 20 frames. I just hit the plus key on my number pad. I hit plus and then 20, which represents 20 frames, and I hit enter and it takes me ahead 20 frames, now to 620. If I want to go 1 second ahead of that, all I have to do is click plus 100, and now I'm at 720, 1 second ahead of it. You can do the exact same thing for minus too. Just click minus 100 and you go backwards a second. You can also use the hand tool to navigate. Now the hand tool is in the same section as our scrub tool and our zoom tools. So just go ahead and click the hand tool, or H for the quick key. And then you can click and hold in your project and actually drag from side to side, shifting wherever you want. And you notice your playhead is not changing, it's just your view that's changing. You can also use the home and end keys that are right above your arrow keys on most keyboards. You click home, it takes you to the beginning of your project. You hit end, it then takes you to the end of your clips, your very last media file. It'll take you there. So home and end are nice ways to get directly to the beginning and the end of your project when you have longer projects.